Hello everybody! In continuation of my previous video about the 101 different ways to install Proxmox, here I'll show you the full install on a Dell R630 using an iDRAC in a graphical way using ZFS RAID 0 on 2 SAS drives. So let's install Proxmox the GUI way with ZFS in RAID 0. Let's go to the boot menu. And let's go to one-shot UEFI boot. And let's take the USB 2 drive, which contains the ISO for Proxmox. And let's take the GUI. And I accept the license agreement. I go to disk options and I choose ZFS RAID 0. I take the first 2 SAS drive and I exclude all other drives. I choose next, I enter the country and I choose a Dutch keyboard to have AZERTY. I enter a password. I enter a valid email address. And I choose my network card. I enter a DNS name. I change the IP address, the gateway, and the DNS server. And I choose next. And in overview, we can see it's ZFS RAID 0. So let's install. And the installation is finished. Let's reboot. Again, we have a special boot since we're in RAID 0. And if you look closely, you will see ZFS. And the system is booted. So again, we have our certificate issue. We click on Advanced, we accept, and we log in. If we go to the disks, we clearly see ZFS 1, ZFS 2, no other disks. If you go to the summary, for now memory-wise is still okay. We're still only at 3 GB. Now if we click in ZFS itself, we have an rpool. And since we chose RAID 0, of course we have 2.4 TB, more or less. If we go to the shell, find mount, and I can see ZFS. zpool lists returns me I have free 2.1 TB. ZFS list shows me all the subdirectories. And we have successfully installed ZFS on Proxmox in RAID 0. If you guys enjoyed this content, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell sign. Or leave a comment down below.